Hello and welcome to Chris Motorcycles in Doncaster. Excuse me. Today we've got the 1949 Panther M65 250 rigid. This is a nice restored example. We have lots of paperwork with this vehicle, lots of parts manuals, diagrams, wiring diagrams, etc, etc. Even some old tax discs nicely displayed in the leaflet there as well. So yeah, this is a Panther 250, and as you can see, just a real nice clean bike, this one. 1949, so getting on a bit now, but looking fantastic. Nice number, 399YUT. Rims are in great condition, as you'd expect. But just a nice little bike, this. Yeah. So on these we can deliver nationwide for 125, excluding the extremities like the top of Scotland, the bottom of Cornwall, etc. They're a little bit more, but we can deliver. Possibly able to offer finance on this vehicle as well. But if you'd like to come down and have a look, that's not a problem at all. Or you can call us on 01302 760 967, or you can email us at chrishallmotorcycles@gmail.com. This bike is in stock now, along with approximately another 110 classics. And like I say, you're welcome to come down and have a look. The kettle is always on. But yeah, bob down, have a butcher's, see what you think. Anyway, thank you very much, and cheers.